on for a few minutes just to wish everyone a very happy and blessed Easter. And I'm very blessed to have all of you who support and watch my channel. I'm having the family over today, so I just thought I would share with you a couple of little snippets of our day. I promise I won't make it too long. So, thank you all for watching. If you haven't already subscribed, I'd love to have you. Just hit that bell and the subscribe, and that's it. So have a wonderful day. The sun is shining in New Jersey, and I'm so happy. So stay tuned. There's the bunny standing right next to my ficus tree. I think he just put the Easter eggs on there. And there's all little clear lights on there. Oh, they look so pretty at night. Hi, Mr. Bunny. Are you all ready for your busy day? Here's my coffee table in the living room. I have two little foiled bunnies on there that look like real chocolate. And there's the little bunny with the yellow tulips. And let me try to zoom in on that. I don't think you're going to be able to see it, but it says Grandma's Peeps. And it has 4 peeps, and it has my grandson's names on them. It's hard to see it where I have it, but that's the little coffee table in my living room. Here's a little centerpiece I made. I make it every year. There's 2 separate glass cylinders. They're different sizes. And on the outer one, you can fill it. And sometimes I put jelly beans in there. Sometimes I'll put peeps. One year I even put real carrots. And then in the middle one, you can put water if you want. And you can put either real or faux flowers. Well, this year, the little jelly beans you see, I got from Amazon, and they're all sparkly, and I don't have to worry about the peeps sticking or anything else. It's easy to clean, and I love it. And here's a real bouquet that my girlfriend Kathy and her husband Bob brought me yesterday. It was a little belated birthday gift. Here's the pretty dinner table all set for Easter. This year I decided to put an Easter bunny tablecloth on there rather than my one that has all the eggs. And we went simple. I have heavy-duty paper plates on there, and in front of everybody's place setting is a little box of chocolate Ghirardelli bunnies. So everyone has a different color cup, and everyone has a little box of the chocolates. So I think it looks pretty, and I think everybody is going to really enjoy their Easter dinner. And here's the centerpiece I made. It has tulips on it and little colored those pinberries, and I made the centerpiece with jelly beans on the bottom, and I just think it all looks very, very pretty. Hey, you're never too old for an egg hunt.
We just want money.
So, they're here because maybe the Easter Bunny left them some. I don't know. So let me give you the rules. Listen, kids, listen up. Each of you has 5 eggs. We're not color coordinated this year.
3, 2, 1,
go.
go.
There are 5 eggs, and your initials are on the egg. So you only take the egg that your initials are on. Now, 5 eggs with your initials. Ready? Set.
Grandma, how do I open this?
There's a little latch in the front. And then they're off. They're off. Never too big for an egg hunt. You'll find your eggs. There's only 5.
Total?
If it's not your initial, leave it. The other person will find it. Oh, Aaron, did you find one? I guess he did.
Grandma.
What?
In there or no?
Maybe. Oh, is there anything in the trampoline? Aaron, how many did you find?
3.
You got 2 more. Kyle? Only 1?
I'm crippled.
Lucas! Oh, you found 2. Good. Keep looking. They're not in that hard a place. Jake, I'll give you a hint. It's not in there that way. Don't walk around in there. And there they're off. We don't have egg hunts just for little kids. We have them for everybody. Hi, Dawn.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm just watching the hunt.
Good. Okay. Not yet?
Well, I got all 5. I win hunt.
All right. Well, there's no winner. You found all 5 eggs? That's good. I guess now you'll have to open them. See what you got. There's Uncle Jason. And there's Uncle Scott. Kyle's opening his eggs. How many more you have to go, Aaron?
1.
1 more. Jake, how many more? 1 more. Lucas, how many more? Oh, I see one right from here. You're not looking.
Did you find one yet?
I see one right from where I'm standing. With my little eye, I spy it.
Getting warmer.
Yes, getting colder.
It's how in the leaves.
Oh, there he goes. I don't know if it's his or not. Is it an L?
Yeah.
Okay. Look at those 2. I didn't make it that hard. You don't have to look that hard.
Well, you're gonna work more in the summer, right? When school's out?
Yeah, I think every time here it's like 30.
Cara, you finding anything good in your
You
eggs?
get 15 hours a week.
Yeah. Aaron, how many more? 1 more? Come.
Anyway, when you're done,
Aaron, no playing football. Go find your eggs.
Jake.
Boo. I see one. Oh, you're getting cold.
Gave it away.
You're getting cold.
Jake found his last one.
Good.
You have 1 more?
And I see one in that direction. Let's see. Let's see. Oh, jeez. They're going to attack me with a football.
So we take our photo.
No, cold.
Okay, buddy.
Cold. Nope, cold.
You just said right here.
Warm. No. Warm. Cold. Warm. Warm. Warm.
Inside your pocket.
Warm. Cold. Cold. Warm.
Inside.
Warm. Hotter. Hot. 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 Hot.
I found your egg.
I don't know where it is.
So the only one that has to find an egg yet is Lucas, right? His last one?
Lucas Daniel.
Yeah, no.
Nope.
You're cold. Rob, look, it's somewhere. Put it in your pocket. New edition. Am I the whole?
New edition. What? In the pond?
Yeah.
Ooh, the fire pit. Is there an egg in there?
I think it's already been retrieved. Oh no.
Oh, is that yours, Lucas? Did everyone find all their eggs now?
Yeah, 6.
All right.
Oh, see, we know you.
Now it's time for the adults. Kids had their egg hunt, right?
Yeah.
Now the adults have to have all their munchies around the bar.
Yeah, we have the shrimp hunt.
Yes, we have the shrimp and the dip and what's that over there?
Did you-
Salami and cheese. All kinds of goodies. Yum, yum. There's Dawn and Jason. And look, the Easter Bunny brought Dawn a bucket full of goodies.
This is like an adult Easter basket.
Yes, that's an adult Easter basket.
Measuring spoons,
Right.
spatulas.
That's right.
Although
Coconut eggs.
coconut eggs, I do love coconut.
I know.
And my favorite Easter
Your baby?
Candy.
Oh yeah, she
That's-
loves her Cadbury eggs.
Love these.
Good. Hop, hop,
Only
hop.
get them once a year.
Hop, hop, hop.
Thank you.
Today, instead of our traditional ham, we are having filet mignon. Going to do it on our grill because it's a nice day outside.
There's still time.
I know. I'm tired.
Well, we're having dinner and everybody was hungry, so we kind of rushed it.
Some beans.
But we had filet mignon, we had salad, we had stuffed potatoes,
How's that feel?
we had sausage bread, we have pepperoni bread, and string beans. Woo-hoo-hoo! Well, it's time for dessert. There's always room for dessert. Here is my malted milk dip. Oh yeah, I made that. And I made these Easter brownies. They're nice and rich and chewy. And over here, I made my Easter fudge. And then down here, I have my Rice Krispie baskets. I'm pretty proud of them. They came out so cute. And I dipped my peeps. And oh yeah, look at these cannolis. There's regular, there's, I think it's red velvet, there's a tiramisu, and there's pistachio. And then we have our chocolate chip cookie, Easter bunny cake. And here's another big bowl down here. We have one on each side of the table of the malted milk dip. Oh my goodness. I mean, after all, I am the baking diva, so I have to have lots of baked goods, right? Oh, happy Easter. Hop, 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 hop. Here's the boys. It's a nice day. It's sunny, but it's cool. So they're outside playing baseball, all four of them. There's Lucas, Jake, Kyle is up at bat, and Aaron is... Aaron, what is your position there?
To get the foul balls.
To get the foul balls. Woo. Whoa, whoa!
Does that count? I ran? That's not clotted.
Most action he's had all day. Probably burn about 1,000 calories.
Hey.
The boys are having a good time. Playing baseball in the yard. It's sunny, but it is cool. There's Jake. Whoa!
Game stinks. I hate baseball. And the worst would be if you get the baby too.
And Aaron's up.
See on video.
Oh my goodness! What was that?
Grandma, they can't hit the We're not. Yeah, he's so fast. I'm looking pitch one in there. My pitches are good.
I hope you all enjoyed these little clips of our Easter day. As you can see, this time there were no family photos. Everybody was busy doing one thing or another. So I just was spontaneous and I filmed what I could. So I wish everybody a very happy and blessed Easter. I thank you so much for supporting my channel and taking time out of your day to watch my videos. I really do love you all. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love it if you would go down and hit that subscribe and that little bell, and you won't miss any of my future videos. I have lots of yummy recipes coming up. So for now, and yes, that is me in the bunny costume. I wore a bunny costume for probably, I don't know, 30, 35 years. I'd put a different bunny costume on. And now that I'm older, not so much. But in case you were wondering, yes, that is me. So anyway, I hope you all had a wonderful day. And I will see you all again very soon. Toodles!